There's a few more tags that you could actually add in the head space. Now, there's something called a style tag. Within style tag, you could add these styles. Whatever styles you mention here, these styles can also be added here. So you could do that, but we will look at that in detail in the upcoming videos. You could also add a JavaScript to this HTML document. Now HTML itself is not a programming language. Now you can't use loop, you can't do certain programming techniques, you can't call API, so all that can't be done in HTML. For that you need JavaScript. With these two, without writing it here, you could also have a link tag that could point to the JavaScript. I mean, you could have a JavaScript in a separate file and you could point to that. Then you could have a style CSS file somewhere on the folder and you could point to that. So instead of having this here, you could also have it there. So the head tag itself, it actually provides more meaning and more feature to the HTML document. So it makes it add more style and even interactive with the JavaScript.